Step E. Add water to the UV lamp tank. Antifreeze is recommended. Step R. Connect the power cord and the water pipe on the UV lamp tank, and the water pipe has no direction. After the connection is complete, turn on the switch power of the UV lamp water tank. Step R. Water cycle. Add water. Antifreeze is recommended. Connect the water cycle power supply. Note: do not turn on this power supply before installing the nozzle. Plug in the machine power cord. The machine is connected to the power supply, and the voltage is 220 volt AC. Once plugged in, take out the cable and connect the board to the computer. Open the machine and computer, and change the computer IP address to 192.168.127.1. After the modification, open the software to adjust the fixture and test it. First, take out the bottle we're going to print, and find a set of clamps that fit the mouth and end of the bottle. Take out a hex wrench and a screw fixture. Tighten the screw holding fixture. Once installed, proceed to the next step. The above button functions, respectively, are the start button, the shutdown button, the UV lamp switch. Push button. Push the bottle tightly when pressed. Clamp button. Bottles can be clamped and loosened. Optionally, the length of the clamping bottle can be adjusted. The recommended distance is 1 厘米. You can adjust the distance according to the actual situation. Clamp the bottle when pressed. Next, adjust the push function. Loosen the screw with the hex screw and adjust the push distance according to the bottle diameter. Take out the hex wrench and screw it tight. After the adjustment test, you can just smoothly place the bottle. Then test whether the clamping force is appropriate. The force cannot rotate the bottle. Long press and click this button to turn the jig left. Long press and click this button to turn the jig right. Click this button to rotate the jig one circle to the left. Click this button to rotate the jig once to the right. Click this button to feed the fixture. Click this button to return the fixture. Click this button to reset the fixture. Click the Z-axis button to adjust the Z-axis height. Click this button to drop the Z-axis. Click this button to go up the Z-axis. Click here to enter to the specified location. You need to click Save to exit to record. Take out the vernier caliper and print the bottle. Measure the bottle diameter and print height. Then enter the diameter and size of the bottle and click Save. Next, adjust the fixture, clamp the bottle and click the Feed button. Adjust the Z-axis height. Adjust the tilt angle by rotating the bottle angle. Lower the Z-axis so that the Z wheelbase is 2到3毫米 from the height of the bottle. Click the rotating bottle. The bottle must not touch the nozzle, which will cause damage to the nozzle. The software can record the current Z wheelbase departure. Click to reach the specified location. Then test the repair material to complete the fixture replacement. Add according to the color above the cartridge, taking care not to add errors. Take out the nozzle and install the nozzle. Mounting nozzle. Be careful when installing and do not damage the wiring. Then lock the screws in place. When installing the sprinkler head, install the sprinkler head as close to one side as possible, and the sprinkler head is in a horizontal line. Install the 4 nozzles in turn. They are white color, glossy oil. When you're done, arrange the lines. Be careful not to bend the wiring. Then install the ink tubes in the corresponding order. Be careful not to insert the ink tube in the wrong order. Secure the ink tube with a circlip to prevent loosening. Be careful not to damage the wiring during operation. After insertion is complete, start inserting the circulating water pipe. When this is done, start the machine and start the ink supply operation. First, find the ink color K. Insert as indicated above. The K ink pump starts working at the corresponding position in the back. Wait for ink K to flow out. Press the ink button to press ink and discharge air. Then insert the power cord of the cycle board, and the cycle board begins to work. After insertion, find the circulating pump and pressure sensor K corresponding to color K. Insert as indicated above. After insertion, long press the reset button on the circulating plate to start the circulating pump. Check that the number on the loop board is 11.0. The ink stops dripping. Same method for the next one. When finished, turn off the machine and start inserting the nozzle line. Do not insert a cable during startup. The finished effect. Then insert and add rod rolls to heat. When done and checked, start the machine. Open the software to check whether the sprinkler voltage can be read to complete the installation.